Local 107.9 FM WBT. Your city, your station.
Well, good news is the radio still works. Bad news is it's supposed to be this shade of gold, and now it's very, very gold. So a little golder than I thought it would be. And the dial lights don't work now, so I'm not sure exactly what I did somewhere in the process. Maybe it's because this isn't in. I'm not sure, but I hate that the dial lights don't work now. But everything else seems to be working very well in the very gold Zenith. Yeah, I wish it was more like that, but oh well, it's very gold now. I gotta get these lights working again, get that hooked up again. Maybe that'll fix it. All right, we'll see. Well, the good news is, yeah, the lights do work. They needed to be grounded on the plate. Yeah, they need to go right in there, and then the brackets ground out. See, I'm learning as I go. I still got to do the dial string. I've been putting that off forever, so I did all this not to have to do that. Well, wish me luck. I'm going to try to do the dial string, so I'll let you know what I come up with. Well, there you go. I got the string on. I followed in a video from That Tube Sound. I believe it was part 5. I'll put a little freeze frame in there. So there you go. Tuning again. I got the string on, the brand new belt, and one of the major things done. I guess one or two more little electrical things. I need to check out the resistor in here. They had put one in line here. I believe what they did was the I-tube lines were probably all rotted, and they've got another replacement I-tube and put it in. And they put in a 1 meg resistor down inside here instead of in here. So I'm just wondering, are there 2 resistors now instead of just 1? That's the next problem I'm gonna maybe solve. All right, that's all for this time. Success. Not a perfect paint job, but it's kind of an Earl Scheib, but it's very gold, and it still plays, and it's not in the landfill. That's all that matters. But that was the string was the major thing. All right, great. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.